Hello everyone! Ni hao ma! Thank you for welcoming me back to Red Note. I got very busy. I got married and then I spent some time alone with my husband and stayed off of social media for a bit. Flint and I have been spending a lot of time being outside. As you can see, we still have a lot of snow. For some parts of Canada, this is very normal. For where I live, it is not really normal. That being said, I am a Canadian that loves the snow. This is my ideal weather. You may or may not notice, but Flint has a lot of extra fur right now. This is to keep him warm. It is about -8 degrees Celsius or -8 degrees Celsius. Both those words can be used interchangeably. That's a big word. Anyways, I hope you have a great day or a great